Happy Sunday! As you can see, nandito tayo sa, it's what they call Imperial Landing. And ito nyo nga, nagbike tayo, no? We're still here in Richmond. Naisipan ko nga, we're not getting any younger. And so, sabi ko, why not go out for a bike ride? Itong place na to, usually, pinupuntahan to ng mga nagfi-fish, no? Actually, sa baba nito, marami nang nangingisda. Sabi ko nga, we are no longer young as we were used to. And I just came to realize, kasi while doing this bike ride, essentially, no, kahit na hindi siya ganun kalayo, na-expect ko it will be easy for me to just simply jump on my bike and ride. Hindi pala. Dahil, alam mo yun, it was a struggle, to be honest. Struggle to a point na halfway in, gusto ko na mag-quit. Ayun mo, simply sabi ko, parang this is too much for today's activity. And while contemplating on that, no, halfway mark, sabi ko, oh, hindi pa ako ganun kalayo, I can turn back and go on my day, end this day nang walang aches and pains. Hindi mo talaga mapagkakaila na, alam mo yun, on your daily life, you'll encounter this, kumbaga, crossroads na kung saan kukwestiyonin mo yung ginagawa mo eh. Alam mo yun? It's not always gonna be perfect. And with that, not being perfect, dyan actually dumarating yung resiliency. How will you push yourself more than what you think is your limit? And I think dyan usually lumalabas yung drive mo for success. Just like how it is sa buhay natin. It's not always gonna be easy. And lahat tayo dumarating sa punto na gano'n wherein, alam mo yung, you think you won't be able to do it. I just kept on, pushing myself. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, sige, pedal ka lang. Don't look at what you're trying to achieve. Essentially, dahil nga malayo pa eh. Doon parang masasabi mo sa sarili mo na, sobrang layo pa nito, maaabot ko ba to? And that's the time that you question yourself. I guess what I'm saying is, sometimes wag may goal ka, masyadong malayo yung tinitignan mo. If you want to achieve something, essentially, is tignan mo yung nasa harap mo. Unti-untiin mo lang. Few step matters. Small achievement nga, di ba? Would help you get to your destination. Really thinking about it, 5 minutes, 10 minutes dumaan, umabot ka sa point na, teka, I'm already close to my destination. And so, doon ka mapapaisip, gawin mo lang yung kaya mong gawin, few steps at a time, you'll get there. Hindi mo manonotice na ma-achieve mo na pala yung parang pinaka-end goal mo. At the end of the day, ito nga, with just looking ahead, one step at a time, hindi mo na malayan, nandun ka na. Kung mapapansin nyo, at that area, meron ditong Lee's Donuts. And nakabili na nga tayo. And that's the proof. And muli tayo ng box of 6 donuts para may pasalubong tayo sa bahay. Di ba? Yung goal mo lang really is to be in this location. Makapag-bike ka from our location sa Gerald Curry. Kasi doon ko pa rin i-store yung bike eh. I started at 8:23 in the morning. Arrived here ng 9:11. And it's currently 9:26. Kasi nga dumaan pa tayo sa Lee's Donuts. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo ha. This is what they do here. we actually fish that area. And then ayun, makikita nyo may parang sailboat. No? Similar dito sa kabilang side. Ayan, they're all here. Ayan ang mga hobby ng mga taong retard dito. They just go out fishing. Ito'y bali yung the entire dock. We are currently here. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Pwede ka maglakad dyan. At masasabi dito, na nakalagay dito kung saan pwede mag-fish. No fishing permitted in this area. Kasi dito nagda-dock yung mga boat. But here, you can fish. There, you can fish. I see people fishing here. So, I'm not so sure. Well, nakalagay naman kasi dito yung sign ang fishing dito lang. Ayan, sa mga end lang. But they're fishing. Anyway, ayan yung Lee's Donuts. Nakita nyo ba? Hopefully ma-zoom in natin. If not, yeah, the Lee's Donuts is there. Ano bang lesson ang natutunan ko? And this is just, hindi ko naman ina-expect na makapag-vlog ngayon. Pero I just brought the camera just in case. If magkaroon ng opportunity, why not, diba? And so, eto nga, I came to this realization na talagang in life, it's not gonna be smooth sailing. We will have our own challenges. And gusto lang ma-share sa inyo while enjoying this view. In a few minutes, we're gonna be riding back. Alam niyo, meron niya akong parang quote na nakita, which is very relevant. I-share ko sa inyo, ang sabi dito, if you want to achieve something big in life, you have to be willing to start small. Stay consistent and keep going even though it's hard. And just like that, kabalik na tayo. Ibang ruta yung dinaanan ko para at least hindi naman tayo todong mapagod. But to say the least, ang pinupunto lang natin is, take small steps, and for sure naman, while winning or taking those small steps, mararating mo din for sure yung gusto mong marating. Lalo na if you're aiming for a better life here in Canada, a better career, and a better opportunity, essentially. So, yun lang. Today is May 24. Nga pala, it's currently, what time did we arrive? I arrived at 10:26 ng umaga. And ngayon, magdadrive na tayo papunta doon sa bahay natin. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.